chummies, welcome to my channel. This is Collie Calls. If you like my videos, don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button. Today, guys, we're gonna talk about arranged marriages. Wow, guys, niyakhumbula emandulo. People used to ukukhethela abantu ukuthi bashade abobani. You know, maybe if families know each other, maybe parents, they're best friends, or maybe because of financial because of finances, abanye they are wealthier than others. Maybe but you must go and get married in that family so that it will boost our family's finances as well. Or toluguti vele both families are wealthy, but mamela la tina we're gonna choose tina we're gonna choose who our child is gonna marry. Guys, you know what? This still happens even at this day. But me, I will not judge. I'm not the one to judge, guys. So I've got some SMSs that I'm gonna read to you guys, which were sent from one party to another, telling them, Uguti, Mamela la, I know our parents decided, Uguti, we must get married. Maramina, no, sing right. Ngithi mina sengigrand angisawufuni lo mshado because no angizikhethelanga angikhethelwe guys. So I'm gonna read, you know how I roll. Angithi you guys know how I roll. I'm gonna read 5 messages to you guys. Wow, I don't know ukuthi why this kind of topic namhlanje eyangithatha angazi ngathi ngizobuhlungu nyana yabona ukuthi how can your parents choose partners for you, but remember what I said. I said, mina ang judge. Mina ngaz. Uyabona? So guys, can I share with you some of the screenshots that I've got from some people, like into zamampela les, from real people who've decided to send to me for me to share with you. Of course, they've consented. You know, what I'm not gonna reveal is the people's names. Uguti i text ibuya gubani, yaya gubani. I'm not gonna reveal the names, guys. Okay? Let's dive into the first text. It goes like, I know our families have been pushing for this marriage to work, and I'm sorry it's come to this. But the truth is, I've been feeling trapped and unhappy for a while now. I've met someone else who makes me feel alive, and I realize that's what I want. And I realize that's what I want. I'm sorry, but I can't keep pretending I'm happy with you. It's not fair to either of us. I'm ending this marriage, and I hope you can understand. Why kubuhlungu? Why kubuhlungu kanje? Why kubuhlungu kanje for me to like read this for you guys? Ngathi I don't know. Ibuhlungu njena, ibuhlungu lento lena, but what if the other party yena already sekakhetshile? So what do we do mase sekunjalo? Ukuthi omunye uthi mina I want out. Azange ngikukhethe. Omunye uthi but manje now that I've learned to love you, what should I do? Ish, guys, let me leave that to you guys. Please let me know. What do you think about arranged marriages? Let me read the second one for you. I know this might come as a shock to you, but I've been thinking about this for a while, and I've realized I'm not meant to be in this marriage. Our families wanted us to be together, but I can't keep living a life that's not true to who I am. I deserve to be happy, and so do you. I'm sorry it's ended up this way, but I have to be honest with myself. I'm leaving, and I won't be back. Yo, lo muntu ambona already sekapakishile. Pakishile umthwalo. Uthi I'm not coming back, and ngiyahamba ngoku. And ayikho into ozoyisho. There's nothing you're gonna tell me. I'm done. Woo! Let's go into the third one. I'm sorry, but I can't do this anymore. I know we've been trying to make it work, but I just don't feel the same way about you. I've been feeling suffocated and trapped, and I realize I need to get out. I know this is hard for you to hear, but I have to be honest with myself. I'm done, and I won't be in touch. Hayi, uthi I won't be in touch. Mamel, ukuthi you reply now or you do not. Okusalayo mina, I will not be in touch. Angeke ngiphinde ngokufonela. You'll never hear from me again. Cause ndithi sengla. Ndi up ngu. Yo, guys, this is painful. Why is this topic for today so painful? Why is today's topic so painful? Oh my God. Let's go into the fourth one. I know our families have invested so much in this marriage, but I can't keep pretending I'm happy just to make them happy. I've met someone else who makes me feel seen and heard. And I realize that's what I want. I'm sorry, but I can't keep living a lie. I'm ending this marriage and I hope you can understand. Guys, I'm getting goosebumps. Just from reading today's text, I'm getting goosebumps. Hey, kushushu. Kushushu. Namhlanje kushushu, guys. Ngiyajuluka. Oh, yeah. Let's read the fifth one, guys, which is the last one. Uthi lona. I know this is difficult. I know this is a difficult situation, but I have to be honest with you. I'm not happy in this marriage, and I don't think I ever was. I was just trying to make everyone else happy, but it's not fair to either of us. I'm sorry, but I can't keep doing this. I'm leaving. Yo, Bafet, listen. You know what? These parents have invested imali. Bathi so shaya omunye umshado enzima kabi ukuthi wonke umuntu la kule village akhulume ngawo. But no, abashadi bathi asisafuni, sesi right. And how do the parents feel about this, especially from those ones, especially the one othi yena akasekho right? How does the other family feel about it? Does it break the bond yabazali who are involved in making these marriages work? Oh, kwenzakalani, guys? You know what? Just let me know what you think on the comments. Guys, if you like today's videos, please like and do not forget to subscribe as well. And from me today, bye.